Chimney Renovation. Breathe new life into your home. Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into an interesting and essential topic for homeowners and English language learners alike: chimney renovation. Whether you're here to improve your English or to understand more about home maintenance, this video is for you. We'll break down what chimney renovation involves, why it's important, and some key terms you'll want to know. So, let's get started and explore the world of chimney renovation together. Chimney renovation is the process of repairing and updating the structure of a chimney. This can involve anything from fixing cracks in the bricks or mortar to installing a new chimney liner. The main goals are to ensure the chimney is safe, efficient, and does not leak smoke or harmful gases into the home. It's a critical aspect of maintaining a house's safety and comfort. There are several reasons why renovating your chimney is crucial. Firstly, it prevents water damage. Water can enter through cracks, leading to mold growth and structural damage. Secondly, it improves efficiency. A well-maintained chimney ensures that fires burn more cleanly and efficiently. Lastly, it's about safety. Regular renovations reduce the risk of chimney fires and carbon monoxide leaks, protecting you and your family. Liner. A liner is a material that lines the inside of your chimney, protecting the brickwork from heat and corrosion and improving fire safety. Mortar. This is a mixture used to hold bricks together. In renovations, old mortar might be replaced to strengthen the chimney's structure. Flue. The flue is the interior passageway in the chimney that directs smoke and gases out of your home. It's essential for it to be clear and undamaged. Tuck pointing. A repair process that involves removing and replacing deteriorated mortar in the chimney's joints, improving its stability and appearance. Thank you for joining us to explore chimney renovation. We hope this video has illuminated the importance of maintaining and renovating your chimney, not just for the safety and efficiency of your home, but also as a fascinating topic for English language learning. Whether you're a homeowner looking to undertake renovations or an English learner expanding your vocabulary, chimney renovation is a practical and relevant topic. Remember, taking care of your home is as important as improving your language skills. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Stay safe and keep learning.